Bye, Bohol.
It's time to say goodbye to Bohol, but it has been a fun and exciting adventure. Therefore, let's continue our journey and ride the Ocean Jet here in Tagbilaran Port towards Cebu. Hello and welcome to the Life of Pierre channel. In this video, we will ride the Ocean Jet here at Tagbilaran Port. We are going to Cebu. Let's go! Thank God na napaaga kami and still had the time to relax and rest dito sa Tagbilaran Port. Let's look around the port while we wait for the Ocean Jet. Merong souvenir shop dito if you want to buy pasalubong for your friends and families. At meron ding blind massage kung nais mo namang mag-relax while waiting. Siya nga pala, sa Ocean Jet ticketing office namin binili ang aming ticket just before reaching the port. Ang normal fare ay 800 at meron namang 20% discount ang students, kaya magiging 640 pesos na lang kung estudyante ka. Just present your ID.
Namin sa port sa Ocean Jet Tagbilaran Port, Lily Turbo Jet Tagbilaran Port. God bless. Thank you, Lord. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Passengers this way.
Bye, Bohol.
Yeah. Yes. Marian is ready for you. Oh.
This is the Ocean Jet. Kung naaalala ninyo sa Macau tour namin, para siyang turbo jet. You can check our Hong Kong Macau tour too if you want. Konting idea lang or information sa mga di pa nakakasakay dito. Kung meron kayong seasickness, mas mabuti na sa gitna kayo sumakay or umupo dahil hindi mo masyadong mararamdaman ang mga alon dito.
Nakawan namin. Panang pang last. Thank you. Ayun. Hi. Ayan.
For Cebu City. Should there be any passengers abroad bound for other destination, please make yourselves known to one of our crew for your assistance. Thank you. To all our passengers, placing of luggages along the aisles and exit doors is strictly prohibited. You may place them at the front portion of the vessel. Once again, to all our passengers, placing of luggages along the aisles and exit doors is strictly prohibited. You may place them at the front portion of the vessel. If you have difficulties in storing your luggage, please approach any of our friendly cadets for your assistance. Thank you.
At pagkatapos ng 2 oras, we arrived at Cebu. Thank God for the smooth and safe trip. Bababa na tayo at kukunin ng ating baggage and then let's go to Son Vida Towers na nasa harap lang ng SM City Cebu para doon mamahinga for the night. Salamat sa pagsama sa aming biyahe at adventure. See you in our next video. This is Pierre of the Life of Pierre channel. Thank you for watching and God bless.